Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan blueberry yogurt muffins. Wrap vegan yogurt with a few sheets of kitchen paper on a sieve. Place a weighted object such as a cup and leave it in a refrigerator overnight until the yogurt becomes about 180 grams. Combine blueberries, sugar, and lemon juice in a bowl. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and microwave it for 1 minute until the blueberries are soft and the mixture becomes syrupy. Set it aside. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a muffin tin with paper liners. In a bowl, combine vegan yogurt, sugar, and extra virgin olive oil. You can use any type of plant-based yogurt. I used coconut yogurt this time. In a separate bowl, sift together flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and baking soda. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and fold gently with a spatula until well combined. Do not overmix. Fold in the blueberry compote gently. Using an ice cream scoop, fill each muffin cup with batter evenly. Spoon the vegan yogurt cream on top of each muffin. Bake them for about 35 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the muffins cool and remove from the pan. Dust the muffins with powdered sugar. These muffins can be stored in a refrigerator for up to 3 days. To keep them longer, wrap with plastic wrap individually and freeze them up to a few months. I hope you enjoy making these delicious vegan blueberry yogurt muffins and share them with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.